You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's have a look and clear once and for all how to pronounce these words. There are indeed different ways of pronouncing it. You probably hear people on TV and elsewhere pronounce it differently. There are two different ways of pronouncing it. First one, which is detailed on your top screen here, is schedule. Yes, you have a D in the spelling of the word, but it's pronounced J, like a J. Schedule. This is the British English pronunciation, so it's used more in the UK. Schedule. The other pronunciation of the word is as described on the bottom of your screen, the phonetic spelling, schedule. So, two different ways of pronouncing it. Schedule, which is used more in the UK, and schedule, which is used more in the US, the American English pronunciation. So if you've been wondering, schedule and schedule are both correct pronunciations. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.